Hello and welcome, and we are going to be entering a new Minecraft game. This is going to be in creative. Whoa. I almost died right off the get-go here. I've just spawned in and literally nearly died. Great. There's 2 sheep here, so 3 sheep. So I think if I... This is Feed the Beast Revolution. So I think what I would like to do is try and get a nice start. I'm forgetting how to do things. But how do I get them all at once? I'm sure I'll work it out. Right, so if I get some sticks. No. Let's get a sword. So what we can do... So, yeah, we got some wool there. Sorry, sheep. You're going to have to die. Right, so now we're... Right. Actually, what I want to do first, I want to... What controls? Sneak. Control, sprint, there we go. That just makes makes sense to me more. Okay, so first of all, I need to find a perfect asset. I suppose I could have. Ooh, let's go have a look at this. A sea lantern. Okay, so there's more sheep here. Nice. Do we go out to this island here, or do we just This is a sheep-rich island. I think we should build on top of here. And right. So we do 2 of them. There we go, we got an axe. Oh, I should turn... we'll need to quickly get some... Because imagine the day will be up soon and we'll be overrun with mods. Mods. And what we'd like to do is I would like to get some electrical engines and, you know, build quite a unique setup. Well, there's a pig. Hello, pig. So how are you doing? Would you like to be some bacon? No, we'll create a pig farm. we go. Well, there's another pig there. Yeah, we can definitely get a pig farm on a go. I used to be really good at making. Nice. I used to be really good at making automatic farms. Jump button's really sensitive. It looks like it looks like it's only midday, but I think it's because the we're under shade, and apparently that's one of the things it does. Right, let's go and see how much wood I can get. So, is that all I've mined? No. Is that rubber? No. There we go. You just hold shift. There we go. Well, so get that there, that there. Okay, so we're gonna do a basic house. We're not gonna. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, so let's start building. Let's just do my or take 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should we do a 6 by 6? 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. This could be. No, we need to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now, hold crouch. Oh, we could get 2 levels in this one because it is quite high. I can't tell if I'm over. There we go. Well, while we're up here, we may as well harvest this tree. And that gets rid of that anyway. Oh, I nearly ran right off the edge there. Though it looks like I'm gonna have to take a fall. But how big a fall? See if I run over there. No, I missed it. Oh damn, that was a screw the pooch on that one. I could have jumped on there. I finally ran out of that wood, have I? Whoa, that was a bit shaky there. Cool. So let's just make this. And then we could see about, let's make the floor out of this stuff. Then we can see how many levels we can get. It's going to be a very cramped build. But then we can always expand. But yeah, this should hopefully mean no mobs can get in. Or except a spider, maybe. Right. I reckon we can make this 2 levels. And this will be the start of the second tier. What we'll do, this will be, if I do that there, I could quickly get how'd you make ladders again? There we go. Make some ladders. Oh geez, I can get back into my old base. Put that there. Shit, I ran out of sticks. Right, so we can get up there now. So we can make our lonely bed. Unfortunately, hopefully it doesn't rain during the night because I don't have a roof. There are monsters nearby. It's not nice to call sheep monsters. Come on, monsters. Ah, creeper. I'm not facing a creeper, man. Not facing a creeper. I wonder. There we go. Just increase. Wait, what? Did you see that? I don't know if this has worked or not, but... Oh. What's those? Minecraft together. Alright, new friends. Oh. Okay, well I'm gonna end it here. We've created a house. We successfully survived one night. We're not a noob. And hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification down below. And hopefully we can speak to these guys and check the merch store down below. Any purchase, the new t-shirt and hoodie is gonna be out. Just with the 4DXD logo on it. Cheapest chips. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.